Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to change default gateway in your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, you just need to right click on your start menu, click on settings. On this window you just need to click on network and internet from your left side. On your right side you will get Wi-Fi or Ethernet option. So click on that option, and under this window you will get IP assignment. So click on this edit button over here. So now as you can see, I am currently using DHCP IP, which means automatic IP. So I will change it to manual. And if you are using IPv4 address, then you have to turn on this option, or else you can enable IPv6. So I will enable IPv4. So from here you can change IP address, subnet marks and gateway. So in my case, I will put over here gateway 192.168.1, IP address 192.168.0.141, and you can change DNS address over here, and after that you just need to click on save option. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.